stop guessing on why your video is flickering in DaVinci Resolve on Mac. This is exactly how you kill the strobe effect without failing once. Most other tutorials are confusing or tell you it's a hardware failure. But here at Rexus, we know it is usually a conflict between the Metal GPU renderer and the Mac OS promotion variable refresh rate. Before we fix the flicker, you need to understand the logic or you will just get stuck with glitchy playback every time you use a high bitrate codec. We're going to do this hand in hand and step by step. So your preview remains perfectly stable. The problem is often caused by decode using Metal being overwhelmed by the Mac system level color management, leading to drop frames that look like black or white flashes. This is the authority fix from Rexus that guarantees a smooth timeline. You might think you need to replace your monitor, but that is a distraction. The secret trick that other creators missed is that if you go to your Mac system settings and lock your display refresh rate to a fixed 60 Hz instead of promotion, you stop the frame timing mismatch that causes 90% of Resolve flickering. Now, focus up because the dopamine hit of a steady image is seconds away. Go to DaVinci Resolve Preferences, select System, and under Memory and GPU, uncheck Auto for GPU processing and manually select Metal. Then, go to the Decode options and uncheck Use GPU for Blackmagic RAW if you're seeing flickers on BRAV files specifically.